at nahirang na fourth big placer duo for the very first time.
Actually, all winners na talaga sila eh.
Yes,
diba?
yes.
Yeah, so we're just so happy that he got to this point. Very happy.
Kumbaga, it's already a success.
Yes.
Sumakses na sila na nandito na sila sa point na ito.
Yes.
Sobrang pagka-success naman, partner. Si Mami naman! Ano po ang pakiramdam ng fourth big placer to?
Oh, I'm so proud of them. Really proud of them. Thank you.
Hanggang ngayon ba kinakabahan pa rin kayo? Kasi kanina talagang naka-holding hands sila.
Yes.
Hindi humihinga sila, Mami.
Walang sila ang magka-duo eh.
O nga, pati ikaw, partner, napansin ko parang hindi ka humihinga kanina.
Ayaw ko huminga kasi alam mo na. Charing lang. Kaya naman, para salubungin natin ang ating fourth big laser duo! Tony, Robbie, and Debbie!
Eto na! Ang misunuring daughter ng Cebu, AZ!
At ang sporty Princess Pro ng Muntinlupa City, River!
Our fourth big placer duo, Alpha!
Hi guys! Welcome to the outside world! Welcome to the outside world! Isang tumatagumpang na NFT! Our fourth big placers! Grabe ang roller coaster ng journey ninyo sa loob ng bahay, kuya. How does it feel na umabot hanggang dulo?
Grabe, parang panaginip. I can't believe na we're here. At maraming salamat talaga sa mga supportan niyo talaga.
Easy,
We
welcome
couldn't
to
do it
the
without you. And ayun, I love you all. Maraming salamat po.
And ikaw naman, Easy, what can you say?